Well, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Florida for Funshine. We are here at Point Marina in Homestead, Florida. A very popular place for Miami boaters and for some YouTube people also that come here to check out how the boats are docked and so forth. We're going to be not doing that today. We're going to be just visiting and giving you a tour of the sights and scenes of this beautiful location. We're also going to be going to the newly renovated and with a different menu Blackpoint Ocean Grill. Excellent food, and we're going to be showing you a little bit of the ramp and the canal that leads to favorite locations that many of our Miami locals visit. From here, the canal will take you to a long path. It's a long canal. And you're going to be about 12 miles from Boca Chica Island and about 10 and a half miles from Elliott Key, another popular sandbar in Miami. So I'm glad that you joined us. I hope that you are, if you're not subscribed, you will, check out the video, check out some other videos that we have, and you decide if this will be a good place for you to visit every once in a while to check out what we have for you by clicking that bell of notification. So this is the famous boat ramp. I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos where the YouTubers film how people dock their boats, and the famous crocodile at this marina ramp. So welcome to Florida for Funshine. I hope you enjoyed the video. So we did venture out in our RV, found a parking space, and then started walking towards the marina, the restaurant, and the boat ramp. I'm going to go ahead and just let you see the sights, and I'll chime in, if I see something of interest that I may want to comment on. So thank you again, Florida for Funshine. Out their very menu, we decided on the breaded calamari rings. Very soft, very tender, excellent. Then we order a lobster bisque, very creamy and again very delicious. And then for our entree, we got some blackened mahi avocado with rice and beans, yellow plantains with an avocado sauce on top. Delicious. Let me just show you a little bit more of the restaurant. Check out their menu online. It has changed. If you've been here before, the menu has changed. I highly recommend this restaurant. Let's check out a little bit of the view and how the restaurant looks. As all glory waves in the wind, the sun is beginning to set, and the evening will give us a different perspective of Blackpoint Marina. Thank you so much for sticking with me here. I hope that you have subscribed. I hope you're enjoying the video. Let's check it out.